you guys enjoy. Yes. And as you guys enjoy, oh, I think you give me my phone then. Or you gonna? Oh, they're coming then. Yes, sir. Yes.
We also need to go, right?
So we are here at the launch of the Megalinor. It's the first yacht to be commissioned here at Umiam, and this is in fact one of the initiatives by the tourism department to upscale the overall experience for the tourists who come to our state. It also has got elements of sailing in it, so therefore our youngsters and the youth also are very excited about it. And this is going to be part of the series of many other yachts and cruises that we plan to bring here to enrich the experience for the tourists who come from outside. So we're very happy, looking forward to it, and we're going to go towards the yacht now. Thank you so much. Shall we sit? Yep. Can I sit on the side? Yes, sir. Pass me the